Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I'm taking Penelope to museum. I wanted to do that for a long time and finally I'm taking her. Hopefully she's gonna enjoy it. I'm really excited to see some European paintings. The last time I was in the museum was like, I don't know, when I was in London a long time ago. So I'm very excited. Hopefully she's gonna enjoy it too. Also, I'm finally gonna put up videos together of the bedroom. Wanted to do that for a long time. Finally I did it, so I'm gonna put it also in this vlog so you kind of get to see a little bit of everything today. Today the weather is kind of chilly, so I'm wearing this cute sweater I bought a couple of years ago from ASOS and my jeans from Mango. So yeah, let's start the day and hopefully you guys are going to enjoy the video. See you, bye bye. The main thing which I wanted to change in this bedroom was the light. I knew that I wanted to buy a beautiful, elegant, appropriate sized chandelier along with the gorgeous medallion for the ceiling. The wall next to my bed looked empty and needed to change. So guys, don't mind the mess. Today I was shooting some videos over here with Penelope, and at the moment we're trying to install the, well, not install, but attach the medallion to the ceiling and hang this chandelier, which been here for, I don't know, already a month. So yeah, there was some kind of problem with the old chandelier. We got it out, we got it down, and now I'm going to somehow attach these things everywhere here, and I have some crystals which I'm gonna hang in each of these spots. So Penelope said that she knows how to do this and she's helping me, yeah?
Mama, let me show you.
Yes, we need a few more. Oh, here we go, they're over here. Here. You know how to do it?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna help me?
Yeah.
Sure she does. Oops, I don't want to break these.
Look, can I see them?
Yes.
They're so beautiful.
Yes, they are.
I wish I could have these earrings. Well, they're not. Well, I want these earrings. They look like earrings.
Mm-hmm, they do.
Because they're shiny. These are like little plates.
True.
But they're sharp because they
Here
have
are the
these.
crystals.
Wow.
Wow, that's a long one. Need to figure out how to hang them.
Yeah. Well, I know how to figure out.
Well, of course. I don't doubt that.
He's living in a dream. He doesn't seem to stray far from today. There is nothing to have seen as we live today in so many ways. Now there are men who take a different route, put on a tie and suit each day, but he don't care about their ways. He simply wants to blaze the day away. He's smoking in his pipe. He doesn't call his man or make a plan. He says he's working on his craft. He doesn't know how long this jig can last.
This piece of furniture we also got around maybe 6 years ago here in Texas in one antique store. I absolutely love it, and I love the details. Look at it. I believe this is a French style furniture. So yeah, hoping that I'm gonna keep this one for a long time. It's super heavy, almost impossible to lift, but I love it so much. So this lamp I actually never used because I simply didn't buy an oil to actually use it. I was going to, but never did. I love this lamp. We got this lamp, I don't know, around 8 years ago, somewhere in a vintage shop in London. Actually, not London, but some village outside of London. So I really like it, and every time I look at it I want to use it, but we don't have an oil, so need to buy oil. I need to use it because I believe it's functioning, and yeah, you can use it if you want to. This beauty we got a long time ago in Prague, Czech Republic. I believe this is a special vase to Czech Republic, made out of some special glass. I absolutely love this vase, and hoping to keep it for many years and pass it to Penelope. Very beautiful. Now this little guys, this is a present from my mother. She got it in Russia. I believe they handmade, and I think there is certain type of technique of painting this ceramic statues called gel. So they're very special, hand painted, and I love it so much. This statue is a present from a very dear friend of mine. This is from Willow Tree. I think she got it for me even before I got pregnant. These little guys, I bought them accidentally. I was drinking tea somewhere in a coffee shop. There was this man, he was selling all sorts of little things for very cheap. So I remember that day, and they just remind me of some. I have a good association with them. I saw this plate in Anthropology, it was on sale, and when I saw this little cherry on top of the piece of pie, basically, I fell in love with it, and I thought that I need to have it. Now this cute little couple, I got the statue somewhere in a thrift shop here in Texas. It was like $5 and excellent condition. When I saw them, I thought, wow, they're so cute, I have to have them. And to be honest, every time I look at them, they always make me smile. I don't know. This little print painting I got also somewhere at a thrift shop, I believe. This painting, absolutely gorgeous. I bought it in Barcelona years ago. Look at the light. Some famous street in Barcelona. And this vase I actually got only a couple of months ago. Also found it a treasure from a thrift shop for like $5 too. Yeah, I like to hunt for this kind of things at thrift shops. Always come back home with something beautiful. one's your favorite painting? Which one? This one.
Yeah.
Ooh. This one's Charlotte. It's very beautiful one. So when I walk into the room, this is the one I saw first. I was mesmerized by it. So beautiful.